What's going on, my truckers? We're going to talk about today's segment right here. This is interesting. This segment is about Aurora. We talked about their first self-driving truck load, and we're not talking about the driver in the driver's seat with the hands off. We're talking about, somebody is in the bunk or something like that, but they're not in the driver's seat. And in this situation, they have their first self-driving truck that Eddie Williams catches on video. I asked him permission if I could share this video. It is just wild to see. Now, here's the thing, right? We're going to get into this. The co-founder of Aurora is actually leaving the company. So does he not believe in it? I'm not sure. Let's get into what they say about this on techcrunch.com. But yeah, if you guys don't have time for it, co-founder of Aurora leaving the company after they got to this point of self-driving, and Eddie Williams sharing with us the first self-driving semi-truck on the road. I mean, it's just wild to see. What's going on, Mud Truckers? Welcome to Mud Truck News. Email us at muthatruckernews@gmail.com. First off, just want to apologize about making this video so late today. I was spending time with my mom. For all that are watching this, I'm sure Mother's Day is just around the corner. If you're not, then, Mother's Day will be today when you watch this. And so just shout out to all the moms out there. Definitely wanted to spend some time with my mom. Eddie Williams is allowing me to share this. He was in Texas, and they just talked about how Aurora just had their first complete self-driving load that went from Dallas to Houston. And so Eddie Williams catches this, and I couldn't believe it. This is the first time we are actually seeing a self-driving truck myself. We saw it on video, but I've never seen one on the road, and this is the closest thing that I've seen. All right, now talking about that, this is interesting here. Aurora co-founder Sterling Anderson is leaving the self-driving truck startup. So this guy starts the dang thing and now is leaving. This comes from techcrunch.com. I'll put a link down below. It says Sterling Anderson, a veteran of the autonomous vehicle sector and co-founder of Aurora, is resigning just a week after the company launched its commercial self-driving truck service in Texas. Anderson held the chief product officer position at Aurora. The resignation was posted in a regulatory filing along with the company's first quarter earnings report. His resignation will go in effect June 1st. He will leave the board August 31st. The company said in the filing that his resignation from the board did not result from any disagreement with the company concerning any matter relating to its operations, policies, or practices. The company and the entire board are deeply grateful for Mr. Anderson's service and his immense contributions to the company over the years and his role as founder, chief product officer, and member of the board. Now it says here, Anderson is headed to an external opportunity in a senior leadership role at an iconic global company, according to information shared during company's earning call. So, Mud Truckers, I'm telling you this, and I'm putting all my money on this, of course. They can test this all they want, but in the real world of trucking, this is just not going to work. There are just so many facets of the trucking industry. For example, mine as a bed bugger, as a mover, you're not going to be able to do the job, right? The truck can't do the job. And car haulers, there's so many jobs in the trucking industry that you have to be hands-on, that I could see this as a safety technology that drivers can use, almost like a cruise control, but I just don't see it taking away anybody's jobs out there, especially because everything they're testing is in great weather. How about when it's crazy, snow, ice in Wyoming? There's just so many places that this technology sounds great on flat land, but when all things are created equal, it looks good. But I just don't see it. It says here, quote, leaving Aurora is one of the most difficult decisions I've ever made, especially given the exciting stage Aurora is at. He said during Thursday's call, this is precisely what gave me the confidence that now is the right time. Aurora has reached a critical inflection point. Product strategy is firmly established. The technology is on the road. The team is in place to scale it. What are your real thoughts about this? this guy, he co-founds this technology and then dips out. So, he says it had nothing to do with anything negative about the company, but, a guy that co-founded this doesn't believe in it enough to stay and has moved on to more opportunities. So, all I got to say is, this is something, again, I'm letting you guys know it's here. They're looking at it. I really think it's just going to be something that's more of safety precautions than anything else. The Mud Truckers, comment down below. Just want to give you this news information today and share with you what's going on. But yeah, interesting times, but definitely the first that I've actually ever seen, which is crazy for me to see a self-driving truck on the road for real without a truck driver in the driver's seat.